Hi guys, so today I am doing my kitchen organization video. Everything that you see here you can purchase at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just so in love with the way it turned out. Here is a clip of my before, and here is my after. So if you want to see me organize my kitchen cabinet, stick around and I will show you. Okay, so far I have some book bins, some baskets, and they're kind of like command hooks, but the Dollar Tree version, and then some placemats. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start by taking everything out of the cabinet. So I'm almost done taking everything out now, and I'm just giving it a good spray down and cleaning it up. And I'm gonna add my placemats in. If you want to, you can just buy a roll of the shelf liner. I just really liked this pattern, so that's why I chose placemats. So this is the point where Sophie walks up to me covered in marker, so I just run some water for her to splash in and try to get the marker off. I wasn't intending in her to get in that side of the sink, but luckily she was already in her bathing suit, so I just let her play. So now I'm just trying to figure out where I want to place my bins. So I just kind of play around with the layout a little bit and decide what's the best for my kitchen. So that bin I already had, and that has all of Emma's like lunchbox items, like containers and everything she needs for her lunchbox. And now I'm just trying to line up these little baskets, and I had some difficulties getting them to line up. So I placed them, and I realized I had to lay the hook sideways to get it to slide in right. And here I'm just checking to make sure that there's enough clearance when I shut my cabinet. And these work out awesome, just make sure you don't put anything too heavy in them. So now I'm just going to fill my bins. I have like a overflow of paperware and plasticware from the birthday parties that we had over the summer, and I'm putting all of our everyday use plastic silverware and paper plates on the bottom so it's accessible. And then I take all of their carnation breakfast essentials and put them in a container so it's easy access, because they eat them every day. We put them in a blender with some ice and a frozen banana, and yeah, they love them. So as I'm busy over here, Sophie is pouring more soap into the sink that I totally didn't see her doing until, of course, the very end. So she wasted a whole lot of soap, but it kept her busy, so it's okay. So now I'm just trying to make sure I like the layout. I like to close the door and open it like a reveal. And I'm just going to clean up my mess, get rid of our boxes, and I love the way it turned out. I need to get little Sophie out of the sink and put her in the actual bath, but I love how this turned out. I don't know if you've paid attention to my clock on the left side, but it only took about 15 minutes. Okay, I am all done. I'm so excited how it turned out. There it is. I'm gonna do the same thing in this cabinet over here. This bin I had already, that's why it's already labeled. So yeah, I already had that bin, and I have a couple more on that side. I hope you try this out in your kitchen or anywhere that you need some bins to help organize. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!